Describe a natural calamity that you fear. Well, natural calamities or disasters occur due to an imbalance in the Earth's environment. And here I would like to talk about a natural calamity named earthquake, from which I fear so much. The earthquake is also known as a quake, tremor, temblor. It is a shaking of the surface of the Earth, results from the sudden release of heat or energy in the Earth's lithosphere that creates seismic waves. Some earthquakes are so weak, but some are violent enough to toss people around and destroy whole cities. I have experience with this calamity. And here I like to tell you about a time when earthquake occurred during the night. About 2 years ago, I was sleeping in my bedroom at night. Suddenly, the window of my room was opened and it made a loud sound. I felt that my bed is shaking. I opened my eyes and then I went to nearby the window. I saw that there was a fast wind was blowing. All the plants nearby my home were producing the horrible sounds. It was a nightmarishly terrible scene. I thought that it is definitely occurring due to an earthquake. I tried to close the window, but I could not have done it. I had afraid so much and started screaming because all the objects in my bedroom were shaking. I ran to my mom's bedroom and she woke up with my loud voice. She gave me water to drink and said to me to sleep with her. Eventually, this natural calamity becomes the cause of death of many people who live in the soil houses. Because when an earthquake occurs, houses have broken with a strong shaking. I fear it. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and like this video.